Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Snowdrop Adventures. My name is Dad Derek. We're out here on the high plains in Colorado. As you see behind me, we have nothing but sagebrush, pine trees. Very, very windy up here. You can actually see into Wyoming heading out that way. What we bring you out here today, because we're trying to find this spring that we found on satellite imaging. Again, that's what we kind of do. We look at satellite imaging. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fly the drone. It is very windy out here right now, but I'm going to fly the drone and see if I can find it before we actually hike out there. We made it to the spring. So what we're going to do is we're going to hike down this little embankment and go check it out. Just so gorgeous. We got blue skies today. And here's the spring. Gorgeous little area. We got like a wet marsh right here. And then the spring comes out. What'd you think, Addie? What'd you think, Addie?
Fresh.
Be careful, that's all mud.
Mud.
Be careful, that's all mud.
Mommy.
You're okay. Here.
Mommy.
You're okay.
Man. Come on. Help me. Help me.
So we're gonna go and try and get to the other side there and go kind of play in the rocks. My daughter loves to do that. All right, looks like we got a little path here that some people have created. And we got a little jawbone here from Cal. Just a little cow jawbone. Oh wow, there's a whole part of the cow here. Got the femur, hip for the socket. Interesting. All right, so let's just kind of walk through here. I don't think there's gonna be any. Oh no! Yeah, man. Man, that stinks too. Well, that was not fun. Well, that just goes to show you guys, don't follow someone else's path. Glad these boots are waterproof. My pants aren't. Looks like a lot of cattle come through here. Oh, this is a gorgeous little spot. We got some elk droppings right here, or mule deer. Let's hop on this rock here. Oh, there we go. So there's the pond that the spring has created. Pretty cool. There's that cool rock formation. I mean, that's cool right there, the way the water has created that. That little line right here. It's a whole bunch of juniper bushes right here. What? What? Did you lose me or did you find something? You heard something? What'd you hear? Huh? A grunt? Like a... No, it's not me. Okay. Well, if you hear something in the rocks, it's probably a mountain lion. So let's just go ahead and go. Gumbo, go. Go with Mama. Hey, Addie, we're going to go this way. Come on. Well, if you really did hear... Come on, we got to go. Come on.
We need to carry you?
Come on. Yeah, let's go. Come on. Like I said, that's a perfect home for a cat. Let's go. It could be a cat, yeah. And I'll show you when we get home on the computer what they look like. Hey guys, we just got back from our hike down to the spring there. I mean, it wasn't much of a hike, it was more of a walk. But while we're down there, my wife said that she heard a growl in the rocks there and heard some rocks fall. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to grab the drone and we're going to fly down there and kind of see what may be hiding in the rocks. You know, we're just going to kind of fly around. She's going to keep an eye on the drone from here, and let's give it a see. Let's give it a look. So we're going to check out this little area over here where she said she heard the rocks fall. So let's give it a look. So we're at the top of these rocks here. Let's start at the top. Well, there's a nice pad on top. I want to say that'd be a good camping spot. Let's see what else we got up here. I think my eyes are playing tricks on me. That's not something down there, is it, guys? Let's go down this way. See the wind blowing the drone around a lot. Let's see if we lose service when we go in between these rocks. Surprisingly, no, I got full service right here. And I'm not seeing anything in the rocks. Of course, you know, if you're a big predator and you hear this drone coming, I wouldn't stick around. But this looks like this would be a nice little spot. Got some juniper bushes right here. Appreciate you guys joining us today on this video. We checked out this spring that I've been wanting to check out for a while. I think I found it a couple summers ago. I just haven't been able to come up here, but it's a great windy day. It's a little chilly, you know, but it's not too bad. Got to see some great rock formations. I really do like seeing those. I don't know, it's just, I like seeing, you know, what nature has done to these rocks to make them, you know, look that way. And it's just gorgeous to be out here, you know, especially with all the different colors, the red, the greens, the blacks, and the rocks and stuff. But I'm going to ramble on here all day about the rocks I can. But it was great. Appreciate you guys. Don't forget to click that like button, click that subscribe button, and join us on more of our adventures. Have a good one.